Hello guys, welcome to Newsy. A historic heat wave baked the US Pacific Northwest, where temperatures pushed into triple digits on Saturday. As local officials warned residents to take precautions, while power companies asked users to conserve energy. Seeking relief in a park in Portland, Oregon, a family that traveled from California was hoping to escape the heat.
Sitting in the shade, enjoying the nice coolness of the ground and the grass.
We just traveled from Oakland, California. It was supposed to be a heat wave this weekend. Yeah, there are four of us, and we thought, because Portland is in the northwest, it'd be nice and cool. It might even be raining, and we get here and it's so hot. And when we check the weather back at home, it's nice and cool. So
Irony.
All of Washington and Oregon and parts of Idaho, Wyoming and California were under an excessive heat warning as temperatures were to soar 20 to 30 degree Fahrenheit above average throughout the region during the weekend and through next week, the National Weather Service or NWS said. Across the region, dozens of daily record high temperatures are expected to be set, with monthly and even all-time records in jeopardy of falling, the service said. In Seattle, temperatures were to reach 98 Fahrenheit on Saturday and an all-time record-breaking 106 degree on Monday. Officials there told the city's 725,000 residents to hydrate, keep blinds closed, use fans, and to go to a city cooling center if needed. Officials in Multnomah County, Oregon, which encompasses the state's largest city of Portland, warned that highs well above 100 degrees could cause public transportation delays, strain emergency medical services, and cause power outages. On a short video posted online, the health officer urged residents to go to a cooling center if they do not have air conditioning, warning that the areas is in for life-threatening heat. Pacific Power, which serves 10 states, said in a statement that it did not anticipate heat-related service interruptions, but asked customers to use less energy during the heat wave. Portland General Electric told the Oregonian that it will have about 120 crews working Saturday and Sunday to respond to any outages. The NWS also warned of that the dry and breezy conditions could also lead to elevated fire weather concerns through early next week. The Weather Service was also expected to issue new red flag warnings in California and elsewhere to advise that the brutal conditions raise the risk of wildfires. Wildfires scorched more than 6,500 square miles of land in 2020, destroying hundreds of Californian homes during a particularly fierce fire season.
Hope you like this video. Please share and like it. Give your feedback in the comment section below. Also, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates. Thank you.